Okay, we are now. Thank you, Rhonda. Awesome. Thank you, everyone, for coming tonight. Thank you to the Philippines for being online tonight and in a virtual world. But we are literally here to talk about flipping the switch in the Philippines. It's so exciting. We're launching this company and these products over there to flip the switch, feel better, live more, live better, do more, and feel the best you've ever felt. So we're very excited to have Jean Rebea with us tonight. Jean is from the Philippines. What part of Philippines are you from?
Cebu City.
Cebu City. Oh, that's fantastic. Yes, is that? I think that's where Norianne is from as well.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Oh, wonderful. Well, we're so grateful to have you. I'm Leah Craig. I'm from Newcastle in Australia, and I'm here just to basically get the word out to the Philippines that our company is launching. LifeVantage is bringing a business and the most phenomenal products to the country of the Philippines very shortly. We're excited to tell you more about this company so people can share the word and spread the word. And we need your help to get this out. It's not something we do on our own. Maybe you could translate and talk about yourself and too, Jean.
Yeah, sorry. So ito po ay we're here to present the business. So yeah, for here in the Philippines, because this is the first this is a pre-launch for LifeVantage dito po sa Pilipinas.
Fantastic. Thank you. So just a quick disclaimer, Jean, we have is just that LifeVantage and its affiliates cannot claim to cure, heal, prevent, mitigate, or diagnose any disease. We just cannot do that. It's within the express interest of this company and its shareholders that we have testimonials but do not claim to cure, heal, prevent, or mitigate disease.
Isa lang pong paalala, ang LifeVantage at ang mga kawani dito ay hindi umaangkin na sila ay nagpapagaling, gumagamot, pumipigil o nagbibigay ng diagnosis ng anumang mga sakit.
Fantastic. So we're so excited that LifeVantage has made this step launched into this country, because who is LifeVantage? We want to share this with the world, and we are growing phenomenally. So it's been very quick. We've entered China, Singapore, Malaysia, and now the Philippines. We're so excited that LifeVantage is there. Who is LifeVantage? We are 17 years young, founded in 2003, and we're known as a leader of cutting-edge science of nutrigenomics.
So, sino at ano nga ba ang LifeVantage? Maaari ngayon nyo lang narinig ang pangalang LifeVantage, pero hindi po ito bagong kumpanya. Nagsimula ang LifeVantage noong 2003, mahigit 17 taon na ang nakalipas. Ang LifeVantage ay nag-focus sa isang siyensya kung saan ito ay nakakatulong para maging mabuti ang ating pakiramdam, makapagtrabaho ng maayos at magkaroon ng malusog na pangangatawan.
Thank you. So what do? We're a biohacking company. We're a company of people that have started out by forming around the theory and the study and the science of nutrigenomics. So nutrition and how those naturally occurring compounds affect your genes.
So ang LifeVantage ay nangunguna sa siyensya na tinatawag na nutrigenomics. Ang nutrigenomics ay ang pagkuha ng nutrisyon sa mga pagkain na pwedeng mag-switch on sa ating mga good o magagandang genes at pag-switch off ng ating bad o depektibong genes na maaaring namana sa ating mga magulang.
Awesome.
Tinatawag din natin itong biohacking.
Yes, we're definitely biohacking our genes with nutrigenomics. So what do we do? It's a person, or like a normal person can biohack their genes now. This is the best part. Like, it's such exciting times to be living in this science and in this time, because, you know, we could seriously have looked 10 years ago and there wasn't this opportunity for people within our countries to do this. So a biohacker is somebody who uses science uses technology and naturally forming compounds like LifeVantage offer to provide a better functioning body that runs more efficiently.
So, ang biohacking ay paggamit ng siyensya upang makontrol natin ang ating mga genes. Para po tayong nag-switch on ng ilaw. Switch on ang good genes at switch off ang bad genes.
Excellent. So we're doing this more efficiently and more effectively than ever before. We're flipping a switch. So we discovered the power of NRF2 activation, and we were relentless in the pursuit of discovering new ways to flick that switch on. We now have the power to turn on our good genes and turn off our bad genes. So we are regulating our genes so that we can actually live longer and healthier lives.
Mm-hmm. Ang kumpanyang LifeVantage ay sila ang nanguna sa tinatawag na biohacking. Ang biohacking nutrigenomics ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pagkain. Marami tayong pwedeng gawin para matulungan ang ating katawan.
Fantastic. So what do we do? So we've discovered that there's 3 theories of aging, and we found solutions to these 3 theories. We were relentless in the pursuit of discovering this theory of what made people sick. And with that, we found an antioxidant and a pathway to our genes called NRF2. And it switched on flipped on the switch to create your own antioxidants. That's the miracle of Protandim.
So, ang pinakauna at pinaniniwala ang pinakamalaking rason dahil nagdudulot ito ng mahigit 2,000 karamdaman sa ating katawan ay tinatawag na oxidative stress.
So what we did was we developed this for many, many years in a lab. For over 35 years, scientists asked this single question: is declining health something we have to simply accept as part of getting older?
Single question. Ito talaga ang rason kung bakit nagsimula ang LifeVantage. Noong 1973, isang scientist ang nag-aaral upang malaman kung ano ang nangyayari sa ating katawan na nagdudulot ng sakit. At ang tanong ng scientist sa kanyang sarili ay, kailangan na lang ba nating tanggapin na ang pagkakaroon ng karamdaman ay parte ng ating pagtanda?
Fantastic. Awesome. So basically, we found that our genes contain incredible abilities to keep our bodies healthy.
Na-discover nila na mayroong sistema sa ating katawan na responsable sa pagpapanatili ng mababa ang ating oxidative stress. Ang tawag sa sistema ay prosesong ito ay NRF2. Tayong lahat ay mayroong tinatawag na oxidative stress. Kahit sanggol pa lamang tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng oxidative stress.
Yes, so it's amazing we're keeping our bodies in this optimal state of health to work in its most functional state. We're attacking free radicals rather than them attacking us.
So nag-a-attack ito ng free radicals hindi ito hindi sila yung nag-a-attack sa atin.
Yeah, so thanks, Jean. We're kind of being biohacked rather than letting these free radicals hijack our own bodies. So have you heard of what causes free radicals, which is stress, radiation, toxins, environmental pollution, chemicals in our water, stress, emotional stress? Have you heard of oxidative stress?
So, narinig niyo na ba yung oxidative stress na narinig na niyo na ba ang oxidative stress na nagpapa-stress sa ating katawan?
Perfect. So what does oxidative stress do to us? Well, the things that we should recognize that create this are the diet, alcohol, toxins, smoking, medication, loads of wireless signals that we now live in, a Wi-Fi world. Rigorous exercise even can cause a substantial amount of damaging oxidative stress, pollutants, or even inactivity. And they cause the problems are multitude of all our organs.
So bakit nga ba natin kailangang babain ang oxidative stress sa ating katawan? Ito ay dahil nakakaapekto ang oxidative stress sa lahat ng parte ng ating katawan.
Excellent. So what are we here to do? We basically are here to raise our antioxidants and decrease our free radicals. Lowering your free radicals and increasing your antioxidants puts you in a nice equal balance in your body to heal and promote health.
So ang sagot sa pagpapababa ng oxidative stress ay ang pagpadami ng antioxidants sa ating katawan. At ito ang ginagawa ng NRF2 sa ating katawan. Noong 2003, na-imbento ng LifeVantage ang Protandim NRF2 Synergizer.
So discovery number 2, decades later, we discovered a way to activate these abilities. And that is, yeah.
It's okay.
So we discovered go for it.
Sorry, Laya. Na-discover yung mga abilities noong decades later.
Yeah. So what did we discover? NRF2 activation and the pathway combats free radicals. It reduces the amount of free radicals formed in the body, and it helps decrease the damage to our cells, and it helps protect them. We also discovered with NRF2 over 31 peer-reviewed studies, and it has 5 natural herbs. So it's all based on science with 5 natural herbs.
So ang mga sangkap ng Protandim NRF2 ay galing sa 5 herbs. Lahat ng ito ay natural. Naperpekto nila ang tamang dami at kombinasyon ng 5 herbs na ito talaga namang epektibo.
Awesome. So what are these 5 herbs? And it's not as much about the herbs as it is the synergy and the activation of the pathway. But what are they? They are ashwagandha, bacopa, green tea, milk thistle, and turmeric.
So ang ingredients ng Protandim ay 5 ingredients ng Protandim is ang ashwagandha, bacopa, green tea, milk thistle, and turmeric.
Yes, and so with those ingredients, you get some amazing, phenomenal results on their own, but together they combine to activate the NRF2 pathway. But individually, they are so good for inflammation. Turmeric, milk thistle, liver cleansing. Green tea is a major antioxidant. Bacopa is so good for your brain and mental clarity and focus. And ashwagandha is great for your adrenals.
So ang 5 ingredients na ito ay nagtuturo sa daan na para maging healthy ang ating katawan.
Excellent. So what do we do at LifeVantage? What is our approach to being able to promote Protandim as a product into the foreseeable future? Because as we know, each single capsule out of the bottle of Protandim is worth 120 vitamin C tablets. So it's not a supplement because it actually activates, and you couldn't eat 375 oranges or you would be dead. And you couldn't drink 87 glasses of red wine in one single tablet. The amount of antioxidants that are in one tablet that flip the switch in your body is what NRF2 Synergy does.
Mm-hmm. So, may isang universidad na nag-aaral sa epekto ng Protandim sa ating katawan. Kumuha sila ng isang 80-year-old na tao at isang 20-year-old. Makikita nyo naman sa dito na mas mataas ang oxidative stress ng 80-year-old kung ikukumpara sa 20. Pinainom nila ang 80-year-old ng Protandim at sa loob lamang ng 3 buwan, ang oxidative stress level ng 80-year-old ay pareho na sa 20. Ito ay dahil lamang sa pag-inom ng isang kapsula ng Protandim NRF2.
Yes, and it also reduces oxidative stress by 40% in 30 days, and that's ongoing.
At nag-reduce siya ng 40%, and that is at ito ay ongoing pa rin.
Yes. So basically, Protandim has 26 PubMed peer-reviewed studies. So simply type that into Google or www.pubmed.gov, oxidative stress, or just Protandim by name, by brand as the only all-natural activator on PubMed.
Pwede po kayong mag-research at tumingin sa iba't ibang pag-aaral na ginagawa ng malalaking universidad sa Amerika. WSU, OSH, Harvard at marami pang iba. Pumunta po kayo sa pubmed.gov at makikita nyo ang 31 studies na naroroon tungkol sa Protandim.
Yes, some amazing universities, Jean, and everybody that's watching today, I really want you to know the caliber of universities that has got hold of Protandim and actually come to us to study it. Because of the phenomenal claims that were made, they wanted to do their own research, and we said, fine. And Washington State is one of the big quotes that I'll just come up with next.
Ayon sa Washington State University, ito ang pinaka-importanting produkto na nailabas sa kasaysayan ng medisina. Meron din pong magandang resulta ang Protandim NRF2 sa mga kabayo, pusa at aso.
Excellent. So what did Washington State University say? They actually went as far as to say NRF2, which may well become the most extraordinary therapeutic, most extraordinary preventative breakthrough in the history of medicine. It is, in our opinion, that raising NRF2 is likely to be the most important health promoting approach into the foreseeable future.
So ayon sa Washington University, ito ang importanteng produkto na ilabas sa kasaysayan ng medisina.
Yeah, so basically when we think of the history of science, there are some major breakthroughs with penicillin and stents in arteries. And then we also have a lot of things that we want to break through in science as well. So NRF2 is right in there with the most health promoting approach into the foreseeable future.
So ang NRF2 ang pinaka magandang approach in the near future because nakikita ito sa future at nagagamit ito sa ating mga katawan.
Excellent. So you can actually do your own research on PubMed. It's a public library for doctors and globally for anybody to look up there and look at all the studies that are on there about oxidative stress. And if you're into horses, type in equine. If you're into cats or dogs, type in cats and dogs. Literally, animals have no placebo, and there are studies there on this.
So makikita niyo po sa pubmed.gov ang mga kung ano ang nagagawa nito sa katawan, lalo pa sa mga animals.
Fantastic. So with all the animal studies out there, there's dogs, oxidative stress, you can actually see the number of studies, and you could even tie in an illness as well on top to be able to pull up, filter better studies.
Ma-research nyo rin po doon ang mga studies ng mga aso, pusa at mga kabayo.
Excellent. So what was number 2 theory that LifeVantage came across was the NRF1 energy pathway.
Ano po ang pangalawang teorya sa NRF2 pathway?
And this is how we are dealing with mitochondrial decline. The body needs the constant power to run. It's the main battery of your cell. It's the powerhouse of your cell. It makes your heart beat. It inflates the lungs. It's in every single cell requires mitochondria to work.
So ang mitochondrial decline ito po ang nagpapasaya sa atin. At ito po ang ikalawang teorya.
We're always looking to remove dysfunctional mitochondria because otherwise this is also a perfect example of things that can go wrong in your body.
Ito din po ang tinatawag na mitochondrial decline o ang pagbaba ng dami ng mitochondria sa ating mga cells. Ito rin ay ang rason sa rason ng pagtanda.
Yeah, unfortunately, Jean, like after a while, our mitochondria just stops working over, it slows down. So it's like driving your car and never getting it serviced. That would be ridiculous. You wouldn't be able to drive your car after that much longer. So it's about looking after the powerhouse and reservicing your body's mitochondria to fuel your cells and help your organs thrive and your tissues and your skin and your health.
So ang mitochondria ay makikita sa bawat cell ng ating katawan, pwedeng daan-daan o libu-libong mitochondria sa isang cell. At ang mitochondria ang gumagawa ng enerhiya na kailangan natin, maihalintunad natin sa isang battery. Habang ay nagkakaedad, ang mitochondria po natin ay nadadamage at kumukonti na lang ang energy na ginawa nito. Kaya kadalasan makikita na lang natin ang ating mga lolo at lola na nakaupo na lamang.
Yes, simply Google mitochondrial dysfunction and you will see a host of symptoms that you wouldn't want at all.
So, pwede niyo rin pong mag-Google ang mitochondrial dysfunction para makita, para maalaman niyo po kung ano yung mga pwede at hindi pwede.
So what does the NRF-Wave Synergizer do for Protandom's range of NRF2 and NRF1? It keeps your body in peak performance. It reduces free radicals that get formed in the body. They help reduce, they stop the damage to the cells from happening, and it enhances energetic levels.
Marami na rin ang umiinom ng Protandim NRF1 at 2 and at nakita talaga nila na tumaas ang kanilang enerhiya kasing sigla na sila noong kabataan pa nila. Dahil sa NRF1, isiniswitch nito ang sistema sa ating katawan upang gumawa ng sariling mitochondria. At dahil dito, mas marami na tayong nagagamit na enerhiya at mas maayos na gumagana ang organs sa ating katawan kagaya ng ating puso, utak at iba pa. At meron din itong 5 natural herbs.
Yes, they are all natural. These are the ingredients, Jane. They're amazingly powerful ingredients in NRF1, and you can look these up on their own. Everyone's heard of coenzyme Q10 for the heart and lungs, and acetyl-carnitine, quercetin, grape extract, alpha-lipoic acid. And together it's about the small quantities and the synergy again that help restore, revitalize your mitochondria.
Ito ay ang 5 herbs na pwede nyo ring i-google at malalaman nyo kung ano ang para dito. Because ang mga sangkap ng Protandim NRF1 ay 5 herbs na natural, hindi gamot.
So the 3 theories we also have to discuss is the NAD, which is required for sirtuin activity within the body. This is the 3rd theory of aging.
So ang ikatatlong theory ng aging is ang sirtuin.
What is NAD and why do we need it? Well, it's basically called, well, it's too long a word for me to even say there. NAD plus is our synergizer. It's a critical coenzyme found in every cell in your body, and it's involved in hundreds of metabolic processes. It's basically like intermittent fasting in a bottle, like caloric restrictions, but on a mass scale.
So, ang NAD? Ang NAD ay responsable sa tinatawag nating sirtuin activity. Ang sirtuin activity ay importante sa pagkakaroon ng malusog na puso. At itataas natin ang ating sirtuin intermittent fasting. Yung kumakain lamang tayo sa loob ng 8 oras or minsan 4 na oras lang sa isang araw. Sa pamamagitan ng intermittent fasting, may tataas mo ng 94% ang iyong sirtuin activity.
And this is beyond NAD. So this is an amazing product because within 24 hours, we've noticed Protandom's version of NAD Synergizer, increasing your production of sirtuin activity within 24 hours, which is phenomenal. And all the competitors on the market have only got something that will do that within a 2% cycle.
Pero kapag uminom ka ng Protandim NAD Synergizer, may tataas nito ang 100% ang iyong sirtuin activity. Hindi na kailangan uminit ang ating ulo kasi nagugutom tayo.
So yeah, it's a phenomenal product, and it really is increases the effectiveness of our Protandim range, NRF2 and NRF1. It improves, it has an amazing load of benefits. It improves mental focus, concentration, supports your DNA and vascular system, and a healthy muscle recovery.
So ang Protandim NAD Synergizer ay nagpapabuti ng mental focus at concentration, sumusuporta ng magandang mood, mas maraming mental and physical na lakas, pag-maintain ng mabuting cholesterol level, sumusuporta sa paglinis ng dumi ng ating cells sa katawan, pag-recover ng ating mga muscles pagkatapos mag-ehersisyo at marami pang iba.
A load of benefits there, and really is a phenomenal product. As you can see, we're increasing with the Tri-Synergizer by 848% on the NRF2 alone. And then we have this biogenesis of the mitochondrial NRF1 increase with the Tri-Synergizer. They're at 120%. And then when you utilize all of that with the NAD, we're up to 1,792% increase.
So ito po ay ang Tri-Synergizer is under 848%. Ang yung NRF1 gene, Tri-Synergizer is 120%. Pero kung naggamit tayo ng NAD na Tri-Synergizer is it's 1,792%.
Fantastic. So it recycles. It's like a recycling system of all your and getting rid of the sludge as well from your cells.
At ito po ay nagpapalabas ng mga bad cells ng ating katawan.
What else does LifeVantage offer in the Philippines? Other than those amazing activators, we have an activating system in a bottle, and that's for the skin care regime. And we have a facial cleanser, a perfecting lotion, an eye serum, and an anti-aging cream. And they are the most amazing products I've ever used.
Meron din po tayong mga produkto para sa ating skin na nakakatulong upang mas magmukhang bata po ang ating balat. Meron po tayong facial cleanser, perfecting lotion, eye serum at anti-aging cream.
Yes, the University of Louisiana even asked us to create something topical because of the NRF2 activation within the body, and the studies that were blowing their minds that they said we should make something that goes on top of our skin as well. And it's proven and got clinical studies with amazing results.
So ang University of Louisiana po ay nagtatanong para sa skincare. So kaya gumawa po ang LifeVantage ng mga for skincare.
Yeah. So what we also came up with was a True Science hair care regime, a very low 0 to 2 toxic range hair care system that actually helps restore the microflora of the scalp, and has an amazing botanical range of ingredients that is the only NRF2 activated skin hair care system in the world. And we also have won silver awards for American Business and Stevie Winner awards.
And meron din po tayong mga produkto para sa ating mga buhok. Ito ang shampoo conditioner serum na nag-activate ng NRF2 sa ating anit.
Fantastic. So how did we do this? We came up with a manufacturing lab quality perfection procedure. LifeVantage products are very consistent and effective. We're 100% tested. Our manufacturing process exceeds the industry standards.
So lahat po ng produkto ng LifeVantage ay gawa sa Amerika at stricto po sila sa quality control, kaya nakakasigurado po tayo na dekalidad ang ating mga produkto.
Awesome. So why would you do something like this? And why would you get involved with network marketing if you've never heard of it before? It's a really simple business and it's very easy to see that this is the way to go for the future. If you were given the chance to start all over again, Bill Gates said he would choose network marketing. And we have other major phenomenal businessmen and women all endorsing this. So Richard Branson, Erin Brockovich, and it's also growing by the millions in Australia and overseas annually.
So ang network marketing po ay hindi lamang po isang business, pero si Bill Gates ay nagsasabi na ang network marketing ay they are tremendous believer for network marketing.
Yes, and it's 150 million people are involved in this globally.
And 150 million po ang involved dito. At hindi lang man po sa dito sa Pilipinas pero all over the world po.
So timing really is everything. And this is so new. We haven't even properly launched in the Philippines, but we're ready to go. So timing is everything. This is about getting you in early and being able to take control of your business in the upscale rather than waiting. And then people will just be jumping on board and looking for people that are distributors within the Philippines.
Magbubukas po ang LifeVantage sa Pilipinas at marami ng tao galing sa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo na gustong pagpalago ng kanilang business dito sa Pilipinas dahil sa napakagandang timing at oportunidad na maging isa sa mga unang distributors dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya wag na po tayong magpahuli.
Awesome. So what can you do that's just not more, it's more than just earning money. Basically, there's incentives. The company are really generous with their matching bonuses as you grow your teams in the Philippines. There are elite bonuses once you work hard and successfully gain a rank. There's weekly commissions and daily pays for commissions. But most importantly, you get to live a life around your life now with your family and your loved ones. So you can fill this job in within the pockets of your time.
So talaga naman pong magpagbigay ang LifeVantage. Hindi lamang pera ang pwede mong matanggap. Meron rin pong mga libreng bakasyon sa iba't ibang bansa. Marami din pong mga bonuses kada buwan. May commissions kada linggo at syempre dahil sa bahay ka nagtatrabaho, mas maraming kang oras para sa iyong pamilya.
Excellent. So what are some of the earnings? We're a completely NASDAQ traded company. We're very transparent. You can look this all up on Google. Pro 3 rank, you can earn up to $626 every month paid while you sleep. And that is in US dollars. And then it keeps going up to the other essential ranks.
Ito po ang sample na pwede niyong kitain. Nasa dollars po ito. Siyempre po, ang resulta ay iba sa bawat isa. Depende po ito sa mga taong katrabaho mo o ang iyong team, ang oras na igugol mo sa iyong negosyo at ang effort na ibibigay mo para mapalago ang iyong negosyo. Pwede po tayong kumita ng 100, 100,000, 1 million. Depende na po ito sa atin.
And Jean, the company's been very fair because they've put the majority of the money into divvying it out through the ranks of the middle ranks, Pro 3, Pro 4, Pro 5, and Pro 6, and Pro 7. And that's where the majority of the money is being paid out to people. So everybody gets in here and has the same level of potential to earn.
So may mga tao rin po na nasa Pro 3, Pro 4, Pro 5 at Pro 7 na yung pera ay nasa kanila. Lahat po ay napipaid out sa kanila.
So this is Charlotte Venter as well, who brought this to Australia and is helping launch it, and her family as well. So what makes us different? We have the support. We have the systems. Like there is no denying that if you need help we will be there. We're a phone call away, but we have all the systems, all the training. We have the right products. We have the right timing. We've got the best compensation plan. We've got a company that is very credible.
Ito po, yun po yung litrato nilang Charlotte Venter. At hindi po tayo magkukulang ng suporta galing sa kanila. Lalo na po kay Charlotte. Mayroon po tayong mga produkto na talaga namang epektibo at abot kayang bilhin. Napakagandang timing na mag-isang founder o member sa kauna-unahang member sa Pilipinas.
Yes, and Jean, the company rang the NASDAQ bell at 2019. They were asked to do that, have that incredible honor to ring the bell at the NASDAQ and to be interviewed as to how successful we have become.
Mm-hmm. I-interview po tayo sa NASDAQ at itatanong nila kung gaano tayo ka-successful.
Excellent. So where do you see yourself today? I guess that's a question you can ask. Would you like to become a biohacker, like as in a customer? Would you like to help us and become a distributor and work with us? Would you rather order your pack and just get started at your own pace? We will go with you. If you want to walk, run, or fly, work with us to change your life.
So, saan niyo po nakikita ang sarili niyo? Gusto niyo po bang maging customer muna at gumamit ng mga produkto? Tanungin niyo lamang po ang nag-imbita sa inyo sa call na ito at matutulungan niya po kayo. Gusto niyo rin bang sumali sa business at maging isang distributor? Tanungin niyo lamang po ang nag-imbita sa inyo sa call na ito para matulungan kayo.
Excellent. And if there's any questions, please feel free to drop a note in the chat. But otherwise, I would really like to thank you, Jean, for coming on here tonight and translating. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Leia.
Thank you. Bye. Have a
Bye.
good night.